In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find songs by BPM on artlist.io. If you're matching music to a video's pace or trying to keep a consistent energy across a project, knowing how to filter by tempo is a huge time saver. BPM stands for beats per minute, and it's a simple way to measure how fast or slow a track feels. Lower numbers are typically calmer and more laid back, while higher numbers tend to feel energetic and driving. Start by heading to artlist.io and signing into your account. Being logged in ensures you're seeing the full catalog and can quickly preview and save tracks as you work. Once you're in, open the stock catalog. This is where you'll browse the music library you can license for your projects. Give the page a moment to load the song list so all the filtering options appear. Now, look to the top right of the song list for the BPM filter. It's easy to spot among the other sorting and filtering controls. If your browser window is narrow, you may need to expand the filters to see it. The BPM control is designed to help you narrow the library to the exact tempo zone your project needs. Use the slider to set a BPM range, or, if you know precisely what you want, type the minimum and maximum values directly into the fields. Drag both ends of the slider for a broad window, say 90 to 110 for a mid-tempo feel, or set the same value in both boxes to find an exact tempo. As a quick guide, around 60 to 80 feels slow and relaxed, 90 to 110 sits in a comfortable groove, and 120 and above leans upbeat and high energy. Also keep in mind that some tracks use a half-time or double-time feel, so a song labeled around 70 BPM might feel similar to something near 140. As soon as you set your BPM range, the song list updates to show only titles that match. Browse through the results, preview tracks, and watch how the tempo locks in with your edits. You'll typically see the BPM listed with the track details, so you can verify the match at a glance. If a song is close but not perfect, nudge the slider a bit to widen the window and explore neighboring tempos. When you're ready to start fresh, click Clear to reset the BPM filter. This takes your range back to the default so you can try a new tempo or explore the full catalog again. And that's all it takes to quickly find songs by BPM on artlist.io.